Hello everybody. Well, I have named the bus. I've come up with a name that I kind of like and gave it a name. Instead of just calling it the bus, now I'll call it by this name. And I wanted to put the name up on the where it said school bus. And I wanted it to be raised letters, kind of give a 3D effect instead of just painting the letters on there. And I'm not that talented of painting and drawing out letters and all that. So I didn't really want to cut them out of wood. For one thing, wood will rot out. I didn't want to do that. So what I did, I went on the computer and I went to Thingiverse, which has all kinds of 3D printed objects that you can download the file for. It's already an STL file, and pretty much you can just put it into your slicer program and then print it out. As you go in, you'll want to download it, put it into a file, then put it into the slicer program. Now I had to reorient it and I had to get the size right. I made it as big as it would fit on the print bed because I wanted it as big as I could get it. So the school bus letters were like that tall. Well, then, of course, took the SD card, stuck it in a 3D printer, and printed them out. Brought them out here, took my drill, drilled holes in them, because I didn't want to split the plastic by just driving a screw through it. So, one at a time, I drilled holes through each letter, got them all ready, and then screwed them to the top of the bus. Now, they're all up there. I don't know what y'all gonna think about the print or the font. I kind of like it. It is not immediately, easy to read at first glance, but it's different. Anyway, let me pan up and show you. Here is the name, Zephyr. And why would I name the bus Zephyr? Well, there's a couple of reasons. Probably neither one of them are very good, but they're my reasons. For one thing, when I travel in this bus, the way that I would love to be able to travel would be to not make any plans and point the hood of the bus just down the road somewhere, drive until I find something interesting, stop, check it out, stay the night or whatever. Kind of like you're blowing on the wind. Well, a zephyr is a gentle breeze, so it's kind of like you're floating on a gentle breeze. Also, with it having a 6.5 liter diesel, it's more of a gentle breeze than a thunderstorm. I'm going to be going fairly slow anyway. So that is one reason I named it that. Also, if some of y'all read my book, you'll know that that is the name of the city that the book starts off in. If y'all don't know that I wrote a book, some of my new subscribers, I'll put a link to it in the description. It's called The Smaze. I wrote it years ago and just got it published a little while back. But if you want to check it out, it's on Amazon. So if anybody wants to check it out, I'll put a link down in the description there. But anyway, that's my reasoning for naming it Zephyr. Weird, I know, but so am I. Can't say nothing about being weird. All right, that is the bus named the Zephyr, and hopefully I can get it all up and going. We can all load up in it and take us some good trips where we don't really know where we're going. I think that's the best kind of trip because it's spontaneous. You don't have a plan. You don't have a set time to be back. I guess I can only do that when I'm laid off because, work. But that would be really fun, I think. Well, anyway, there is another announcement. I guess you probably already read it in the video title, but I have hit a milestone that I didn't think that I ever would. I have hit 5,000 subscribers on this channel, and it actually happened a little while back, about probably a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, something like that. But so I do appreciate everybody that subscribes, watches my videos, comments, likes, shares my videos. I appreciate y'all. I really do. And I hope that I am, kind of the goal of this channel has always been to help people, to help teach people to do things, or to inspire people to try something instead of taking their vehicle to a shop to actually try repairing it themselves, or to build their own camper or their own cabin or whatever. Just to inspire somebody to, just get outside instead of sitting inside all the time. Get outside and do something, and learn all you can. Okay, and being that we have hit this milestone of 5,000 subscribers, I would like to celebrate somehow. I got 3 different things, contests that I could run. I can't really afford to do all 3. Getting ready to get laid off pretty soon. But I want to show my appreciation through a contest, but I was going to kind of ask y'all what you think about the different options. Okay, number 1 is a $50 gift card to Amazon, which is where I pretty much buy almost everything that I get nowadays, because it's just too easy, really. It's too easy to spend money on Amazon. Anyway, it's a $50 card on Amazon is one of them. And the second one is, this is my knife that I carry with me all the time. I use it constantly. This is the handiest thing I have ever owned. Love it. It is the Leatherman Wingman. See, it says Leatherman Wingman on it. You might be able to see it. Yeah. This is the handiest thing that was ever made right here. I use this consistently all the time. In fact, at work, there's always somebody, I guess nobody carries a knife, but at work, there's always somebody wanting to borrow my knife because they know I've got it with me and I use it consistently. And either I would give away one of these, a brand new one, to one subscriber. I can only give one away. Or I could give away this one. This is a third option, is to give away this knife, and I would sign it and send it to you. Whether anybody would want that or not, that was suggested by somebody else. I don't know if anybody is going to want me to write my name on a knife and send it to them. But if you would like for a signed knife, that the actual one, this one that I've used in my videos, then I would send it. That's the third option. Either an Amazon gift card for $50, one of these brand new, or this very knife sent to you with my signature on it. Just kind of let me know in the comments there which one you think would be a good, a good contest to have. The way I'm going to choose the winner, I still have to come up with a randomized way. I want to do it random, but different than what you've seen before. I don't know. I want to come up with something different. But everybody would comment that they wanted to be in the contest. And then anybody that said they wanted to be in it, I would take their name and put them all in some mechanism or some way that I could randomly choose one name. And any of the three that I do, that's the way I'm going to choose the name, is randomly. And I'll try to do the randomness on a video so you can see me do it. And by going through y'all's comments on this video, I'll choose which one to give away. But once again, I appreciate every one of you for subscribing and watching my videos and commenting. I love reading the comments. I try to respond to everybody. Sometimes my responses, sometimes my responses are short little responses, but it's just, I always try to respond to everybody because I do appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all on the next one.